some unfinished business.
Remember, we can alter the sprinkler's source to an herbicide to wipe out what they're growing.
Good thing I have whatever the opposite of a green thumb is. Let's kill some plants.
Make sure you turn off their relay. We don't want them calling in backup. That's the valve that'll add herbicide to the sprinklers. Sleepy times incoming, hunters.
And here comes the peanut gallery!
Fire in the wall! I will get out of this! Watch for friends!
Now can you find out anything more about the Kravenoffs? Who knows when they'll get here?
Here we go.
What's this?
Little Anna. You seek a challenge to feel the rush of fear again.
you something to fear, Father.
Your brother made such promises too often. Terrified me.
Anyone who gets in my way will suffer the same fate as Nedorochi.
Is that so? And your mother?
She was in the way.
I assume Vladimir was no problem for you either.
I live for the hunt.
If you really are the one. Let us see if you can leave Volgograd unscathed.
Oh my god. His entire family, all dead.
This whole time we were getting ready for them, and they just destroy each other? And Craven got what he wanted. At least his hunters have nowhere to hide now.